Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. So when I was growing up, I can vividly remember back to school shopping. Do you remember that, right? Well, in our house, what would happen is we'd spend all summer playing outside and our clothes would be in tatters and we'd have like popsicle juice stains all over our little khaki short shorts. And my mom would look at us and look like we were raised by wolves, right? So she'd load my sisters and I up into the car and we'd head to Mervyn's, where for like $30, we'd get 10 new outfits and a new pair of shoes. And quite frankly, I don't know why things were so inexpensive back then, but they were. It seemed like the dollar went a lot farther than it does today. But it got me to think about the back to school time and why it's a really great time to have Kitchen and Bath Crate come out and look at your remodel project. You see, it's after the summer rush that we get when people have a little more time on their hands, but before the September pre-holiday rush that we tend to get. So what I'd like to do this year is to try something a little bit different. If you give us a call between August 1st and August 12th of this year, what we'd like to do is offer you a $500 Pottery Barn gift certificate if you decide to choose us as your eventual contractor. So all you do is you give us a call at 888-995-7996 or go to kbcrate.com and schedule your phone consultation. And if you have that phone call, once again, between August 1 and August 12, there's a $500 Pottery Barn gift card in it for you if you decide to move forward with us on the project. Now you may be saying, what happens if I call on the 13th or the 14th? I'm sorry, it's the 1st through the 12th. Rules exist, we have to adhere to them, so make sure you reach out before the 12th of August and schedule your crate in-home consultation. Thanks so much for watching.